Model 2011 Ford Transit T300L 2.2 TDCI. Low mileage, needs injector. Body red, panel van. Mileage 107,634. Engine 2198 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ 2.2 D. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a misfire every now and then. Injector number 4 is intermittently working. Number 4 injector will need replacing soon. Still starts and drives fine as it is. Green gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: electric windows. EU status: Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.